Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MasterBOT token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MasterBOT is a decentralized Web3 platform where users collaborate to train AI models for real-world robotics through gamified simulation and prediction market. The MasterBOT merges decentralized collaboration with AI training, aiming to democratize robotics development. Its success hinges on balancing community engagement with technical rigor. Can a crowdsourced model outplace closed-door corporate R&D in creating vibe robotics intelligence? Visible robotic intelligence. MasterBOT token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion MasterBOT token. MasterBOT token is listed on Meta, Aura, DLM and Orca. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.